Hey, I'm here to get my commentary reactions to Chapter 4 of C.S. Lewis's book called Mere Christianity. He starts off summing up everything we've learned so far, that humans have a law we ought to obey even though we didn't invent it. People generally have two different views to the meaning of the universe, one being the more materialistic one, the other being the more religious one. The materialistic view says that things that are created have always been, and the universe's conception came at a random chance. This religious one says that there's something behind, more like a mind that we don't know, and it has certain purposes, and that this something behind will reveal itself in one way or another. Lewis makes a distinction that says you can't figure out which one of these views is correct using science because it's not a scientific question. Even I know that science is the study of things through experimentation. Like we know that water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius because it's been tested. But we can't back extrapolate to go to the beginning of the universe to see all the different random chances that led up to what we know now. And we can't study this something behind shaking this proverbial hand and learning from it with notepad and pen. And we can't even see this something behind's power in creation or nature, otherwise it could be tested. Again, it's not a scientific question. Lewis corroborates this notion when he states this one phrase on page 24. He says, if there was a controlling power outside the universe, it cannot show itself to us as one of the facts inside the universe, no more than an architect of a house could actually be a wall or a staircase or a fireplace in that house. So one might assume that we would need some type of faith to figure this all out. But there's something that we do know ourselves. We know that there is a law that we ought to obey. And Lewis says that this something behind is going to reveal itself to us through an influence inside ourselves. It's like it's encouraging us to do the right thing and maybe causing some cognitive dissonance when we don't. Here's what I'm learning. The law of gravity that stones have to obey is not up to them. But the law of human nature that maybe is encouraged by this something behind, encouraging us to do the right thing, is up to us, like a choice. It's kind of like a relationship to some degree. In a relationship, you choose to love, but you could not. It feels as though if this something behind, if it exists, is more personal than I imagine. But we're going to explore more of that in chapter 5. But until then, signing off.